guys, it's K Cars, and today we are finally on the way up to OST Dyno to pick up the car. Here with my friend Zach, he's giving me a ride. You guys probably remember him from a few of my previous videos. He used to have a red GTI, but now he has a turbo Veloster. And you guys can definitely hear the exhaust that he has on it. It's actually a ISR race exhaust and a catalyst downpipe. Not sure how well you guys can actually hear me, but we have about a 2-hour drive to get to OST Dyno, so can't wait to hear what the car's going to sound like with the long tube headers put on, so that should be a lot of fun. We're also going to go through the Ford pit tunnel with this car and the Challenger with the long tube headers on, of course. So yeah, we're probably going to go deaf. What do you think, bud?
Hey, buddy.
Alright guys, so one bad thing that I wanted to tell you guys, but I'm actually not going to get the two-step installed until a later date, just because I called them like a week before I was actually scheduled to go in, so they only had time to install the headers, not the two-step also. So that's the reason that I'm not getting the two-step installed, so I'm actually going to have to set up a second appointment to go up there again, which isn't really a big deal, but it's kind of inconvenient because it's 2 hours away. But it'll give me some more content to make videos for you guys, so it should be a lot of fun. He said it would only take about a day to install that, so it shouldn't be too long. But yeah, when I get the two-step installed, it's going to be absolutely crazy, and I can't wait to show you guys all those videos, so yeah, it's going to be awesome. Also, I'm going to be making a whole bunch of videos when I get the car back this weekend. So first, I'm going to make a review video, like before and after clips of how the car sounds and how I like it. I'm going to talk about all the prices for the parts and everything, and explain all of that stuff, answer any questions that you guys have. I have a reaction video planned, and it's actually going to be with a cop, so I'm really excited for that. I'm going to let him drive it and see how he likes the car. Hopefully he doesn't give me a ticket or anything like that, because that would probably suck. So hope you guys are looking forward to watching all of those videos. If you haven't subscribed already, you definitely want to do that, because I'm going to be giving you guys a whole bunch of content. I'm actually going to Ocean City Cruise Week with Zach in May, so that's going to be a lot of nice videos for you guys to watch. Also, I'm going to be going to the call out on April 29th with Street Speed 717, and I'm going to try to race, see if I can get a spot for racing there. That'll be a lot of fun if I actually get to race, so you guys definitely don't want to miss those videos. Hopefully you guys can actually hear me in this car, because this exhaust is really loud and there's so much drone in this car. But alright guys, I'll see you at OST Dyno. Alright guys, so we made it to OST Dyno. As you can see, the car is right here. I'm gonna go inside and just see if Mike is here, just talk to him. Alright guys, so we made it here to OST Dyno. I'm about to hear the car for the first time, so it's gonna be extremely loud. I'm gonna have Zach record. I'm excited for this, guys. Hope you like it. Not sure if you guys can hear me right now, but that's so loud. I love how it sounds. It sounds a lot better than I was expecting. So yeah guys, you can expect a whole bunch of videos of this car. I just wanted to make this quick little video of the trip up here to pick the car up. We're also going to go through the Ford pit tunnel with this car and Zach's car, so it's going to be extremely loud, so you definitely want to watch the rest of this video to watch those clips. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a reaction video with this car with a cop, and I'm actually going to let him drive it, so you definitely don't want to miss that video, so make sure you're subscribed. I'm also going to be making a before and after video of how this car sounded with just a mid muffler delete and how it sounds now, so you definitely don't want to miss those videos. And yeah, I appreciate all the support, guys. I'm going to include the clips from the tunnel run at the end of this video, so make sure to keep watching for those. And as always, thanks for watching.